Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce, my name is Linda Apriliani, Class 1C, Accounting Study Program, Padang State Polytechnic. In this video, I will present material about greeting and leave-taking. A. Greeting. One definition. Definition greeting. What is meant by greeting is a greeting word. Greeting word are usually used when meeting or meeting other people, either directly or indirectly, such as on social media. Yang dimaksud dengan greeting adalah kata sapaan. Kata sapaan biasanya digunakan saat bertemu atau berpapasan dengan orang lain, baik secara langsung maupun tidak langsung, seperti di sosial media. 2. Greeting kinds. Greeting is divided into two kinds, A. Formal greeting and B. Informal greeting. Formal greeting is usually used to greet people in formal situation, whereas informal greeting is usually used to greet people in informal situation. Maksudnya yaitu greeting terbagi atas dua macam. Yang pertama yaitu greeting formal dan greeting informal. Greeting formal biasanya digunakan untuk menyapa orang dalam situasi formal atau ada acara resmi. Dan greeting informal biasanya digunakan untuk menyapa orang dalam situasi tidak formal atau tidak resmi. Next, example of formal greeting, expression and responses. Yaitu contoh expression dan respon dari greeting formal. Expression, how are you? Respond, I'm fine, thank you. And good morning, respond, good morning. Good afternoon, respond, good afternoon. Expression, good evening, respond, good evening. Next, expression, nice to meet you, respond, nice to meet you. Next example of informal greeting, expression and responses. Maksudnya contoh dari contoh expression dan respon dari greeting informal. Expression, how are things with you? Respond, okay, not bad. Next, what's up? Pretty well. And what's new? Nothing much. B. Leave-taking. One definition. Definition of leave-taking. What is meant by leave-taking is an expression part of parting. Leave-taking is usually used at the time of farewell or when saying goodbye to other people. Yang dimaksud dengan leave-taking adalah ungkapan perpisahan. Ungkapan perpisahan biasanya digunakan pada saat perpisahan atau saat berpamitan dengan orang lain. Next, two leave-taking kinds. Leave-taking is divided into two types, A. Formal leave-taking and B. Informal leave-taking. Formal leave-taking is usually used in formal situations such as at official event and school. B. Informal leave-taking is usually used in informal situations such as saying goodbye to friends or family. Maksudnya, leave-taking terbagi menjadi dua, yaitu leave-taking normal dan leave-taking informal. Leave-taking formal biasanya digunakan dalam situasi formal, seperti pada acara resmi atau pada saat di sekolah. Kemudian leave-taking informal biasanya digunakan dalam situasi non-formal atau tidak formal, seperti mengucapkan selamat tinggal kepada teman atau keluarga, dan juga seperti berpamitan terhadap keluarga ataupun saudara, teman, dan lain sebagainya. Next, example of formal leave-taking expression as response. Contoh dari Contoh expression dan respon dari live taking formal. Expression goodbye, respon goodbye, see you later, see you tomorrow, see you. Next, example of informal live taking expression and responses. Contoh expression dan respon dari live taking informal. Expression take care, respon you too. Expression have a nice day, respon thank and you too. Expression be careful and respond sure. Next, greeting and leave taking conversion example, yaitu contoh percakapan menggunakan greeting and leave taking. Ini yaitu contoh dari percakapannya. From this example, the sentence that use greeting, expression, and response are hello, how are you, I'm fine, and I'm fine too. And to who use expression and responses leave taking are take care, see you later, and see you soon. Maksudnya dari contoh ini, kalimat yang menggunakan ekspresi dan tanggapan dari greeting adalah hello, how are you, I'm fine, and responnya I'm fine too. Dan kalimat yang menggunakan ekspresi dan tanggapan dari leave taking yaitu take care, see you later, and see you soon. Thank you for watching my video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.